Next, we'll create our contact page, building it from scratch. If you haven't already, name the page, and then hide the title with the eye icon as needed. WordPress uses default styling for this title, and you can't really do too much with it for modification, so most of the time people hide it and then add other headers which can be styled better. So go ahead and create a heading that says something simple like, say hello, or contact. Next, add a form. We'll use the Spectra form. Click plus and search for form, and then here is the Spectra form. We'll click it to add it, then click Simple Contact Form. Customize the fields to fit your purpose. I don't necessarily need a first and last name field, so I'll delete the last name field and just change first name to simply say name. On the right side, change the autocomplete to full name. Set all the fields that you want to make sure are captured in the contact form as required, using the toggle in the right sidebar. Click on the form as a whole, and then in the right sidebar, experiment with boxed and underlined styling. I like the underline styling, so I'm going to use that. Next, scroll down under General, and under Actions, set the email address that should receive the form responses. I'll use the same email that I used to sign up for this site. Set a subject that'll show up in the form response if you want to. Under the Google reCAPTCHA section, toggle on reCAPTCHA to avoid spam. I recommend using v3. Click the Here hyperlink and follow the guide for more information on how to set up reCAPTCHA. It's fairly straightforward to set this up, but for the sake of brevity, I'm going to skip that for this demo. Just know that you can click this Here link to get all the instructions to set this up. When you're finished with the page, click Save.